Hey guys, it's Dr. Ben Body here with Pro+Kinetix Physical Therapy and Performance. Today we'll be going over the 3 best foam rolling exercises for the lower body. We're going to start with the quad, and then we're also going to target the calf as well as the piriformis muscle. So, to target the quad muscle, and this is one that I see a lot of people do incorrectly, is the quad muscle wraps all the way around. It's not just right here, it expands from all the way from the lateral part of the leg all the way on the inside. And most people just focus right on this portion here. So when we do this, we want to make sure we're keeping our feet pointing straight down, and then also rotating our feet out to get to the middle part of that quad. And then also we can rotate and point our feet in like this. Or if we want to kind of put more pressure, we can go into one leg like this and hit that outside part of the quad. All right. So to make it less intense, you can start with 2 legs like this, and then we want to a lot of people go too fast through this. All right, we should be going nice and slow. Should be kind of uncomfortable to a certain extent. All right, and then one other technique that you can utilize to make this a little bit more intense is once you find like a tender spot, you can pause on that tender spot and then bend your leg. Nice and slow, don't be going through this too fast. You can do about 10 repetitions through that. All right, and then you can find another tight spot on the other leg and do the exact same thing. So what this is doing is it's pinning the muscle down on the foam roller, and as we bend the leg, it's pulling that muscle over the top of it, helping to release it. Right? If that's, for some of you that may not be intense enough with regards to doing both legs at once, one way to make it more intense is just to shift onto one leg like this. All right, just you're putting more weight through that, so it's going to be more intense that way. All right? So that's the quadricep muscle. Okay? Now we want to apply those same principles to the calf muscle. All right? Just like the quad muscle, this calf muscle spans all the way around, starting from the outside here, and then spans on to the inside. Okay? Again, a lot of people mess this up by just keeping the feet pointed upwards like this. Okay? You also want to be pointing the feet out to hit the outside of the calves. All right? And then also point them together to hit the inside of the calf. Again, make sure you're going slowly through this. And then again, we can apply that same technique that we did with the quad. And once I find a tight spot, so like right now, I have a pretty tight spot on my left calf, I'm just going to pause and hold on that, and then I'm going to take my foot and bring it up, and then push down on the gas pedal, and then just do a couple oscillations there, in 5 to 10, and then you can move around and find one on the right side, and do the same thing. Okay? So ideally, foam rolling, we should be doing about 2 minutes of this for each muscle group. All right? And you want to be going all the way down to the Achilles, okay? Right above the ankle joint. And then all the way up to the knee joint. So again, that calf muscle attaches all the way at the knee joint and then attaches into the Achilles down by the ankle. Okay, make sure you're not just sticking with the muscle bulk of the calf. Make sure you're going through the entire extent of the tendons as well as the muscle bulk. Okay? All right, and again, 2 minutes there. And then we can also, last muscle is the piriformis muscle. So the piriformis muscle is a very small muscle inside the glute. All right, so what we can do is we can sit on this foam roller. And so to target the left side, what we're going to do is we're going to cross this left leg over the right. And then you can roll like this. So the foam roller is going to be the least intense. What you can do to make this even more intense is use like a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball. That's going to be a little bit more pinpoint. But this is usually the best place to start to gauge your tolerance and figure out how you're doing with that. All right. And again, this is a very small muscle. We're not going to be oscillating too far down. Okay. You'll know when you hit this. It'll be pretty intense. Okay. And again, we don't want to be doing more than about 1 to 2 minutes of foam rolling. Okay. And ideally, doing this 1 to 2 times throughout the day is ideal. So let me know how this goes. Let's go, and best of luck.